Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, and this is why it's very hard to put a collar on a cat. Look, Beaux, want to put the collar on, buddy? You want to put it on? He hates this collar. Hates it. This is what he thinks of the collar. Oh, he got it caught on his claw. Oh, and he'll throw it down every time like that, too. Watch, I'll pick it up again. I'll set it over here on this ledge. See what he does. Does he see the collar? He hates when I put it on him. He fusses and tries to run away and hides. Every time. And then I gotta go find where he dumped it off at. The shoebox. What, you want this, Beaux? You want that?